In today's video, I'm going to teach you create tables for free vertical bar Google Docs tutorial for beginners. If you've ever needed to organize information neatly in Google Docs, tables are a simple built-in way to do it without any add-ons or extra tools. I'll walk you through inserting a table, adjusting its layout and styling it so your document looks clean and professional. Start by positioning your cursor exactly where you want the table to appear. This matters because Google Docs will place the table right at that insertion point, so choose the spot carefully to avoid extra moving around later. Next, go up to the top of the editor and click Insert. Hover over Table and you'll see a grid appear. Move your mouse across the grid to pick the number of columns and rows you want. Up to 20 by 20. As you hover, you'll see a live preview of the size. When it looks right, click once to insert it. Don't worry if you are not sure yet. You can always add or remove space as you go. To expand your table later, right-click inside any cell to open the context menu. From there, choose to insert rows above or below, or columns to the left or right. The options change based on where your cursor is. So right-click near the area where you want the new space to appear. This makes it easy to grow your table as your content evolves. Resizing is just as straightforward. Hover your cursor over a table border until it turns into a double-sided arrow. Click and drag to adjust the width of a column or the height of a row. Take your time for precise spacing, and remember you can undo if you over-adjust, if you need a larger header or a label that spans multiple cells. Highlight the cells you want to combine, right-click, and choose Merge Cells. This is perfect for table titles or section headers that need extra room. Adding content is as easy as clicking inside a cell and typing. Use the standard toolbar to format your text, change the font size, color, and alignment to make headings stand out or to center key labels. To add visual structure, select a cell or highlight an entire row and click the background color paint bucket on the toolbar. A light shade for headers or alternating rows can improve readability without being distracting. Finally, refine the look of your lines with the border color and border width tools. Select the table or specific cells first, then pick a color and thickness to match your document's style. That's it. You now know how to insert, edit, and style tables in Google Docs quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching.